Hi guys, this is a Python tutorial and this first lesson. In first lesson, we will talk about Python introduction and how style Python on your PC. Python on many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line. So let's go. If you use a Windows system on command line you write this code C users your name. It depends what is username of your PC, and then you write Python version. If command line returns the version that is installed on your PC, it means that Python has already installed on your PC. If you use Linux or Mac, you open the command line, or on Mac open the terminal and type Python version. Python version, and if such as on Windows, if terminal or command line returns you the version of Python, Python is already installed on your PC. If you find that you don't have Python installed on your computer, you can download it for free from the website. Official website of Python is this. Link is python.org/downloads, and install Python is, I think that is one of the most easiest thing on the of the world. The recent Python version is 3.11.3. But the more recent Python is nowadays is number 3. Now talk about Python. Python is an important programming language, and there are a lot of advantages that it has. These advantages are very useful on programming on code sector. First advantage is that Python is free. Indeed, Python hasn't got any plans or accounts, you install on your PC and you can use Python. Another big advantage that Python has is that it's easier to use. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Indeed, it's perfect for the inexperienced people who have never coded before. Furthermore, Python has a syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages, and this is a big advantage. Python has got another advantages of Python is web development. Indeed, Python has got a different framework which permits it to be very competitive in web development too. We can find such as framework. We can find Django, Flask, WebGPy. There are many others, and you can find them on dedicated section of web framework in Python website. Python website. We talk about idle of Python. Idle of Python is like a shell, a command line of Python where you could write first program with Python. So now I show you how write first program with Python. So let's go to open idle. When you install Python or if Python also already installed on your PC, you search idle and it is the result. Idle is a shell of Python where you can write code, a function, we can code anything. Now I have already write function print. I write print hello world and Python return the string hello world. So Python is very easy. Now I write print Python tutorial. So idle Python shell return me Python tutorial. Python is very easy, and now and in this lesson we I show you how install Python on your PC if Python hasn't already installed, and we write first program with Python. I think that tomorrow I will I'll do a new video, and we will talk about print and input function. This is the function more important in Python. So I that is you when I'll do next video and I I'll create a YouTube channel where I shared this video. So bye, thanks.